Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make chicken chili. So let's get started. Alright, so for the chicken chili I've taken around 200 grams of chicken and I've cut them into cubes. And there's no fancy marination needed for the chicken chili. Okay, so I've added salt around half teaspoon. Then goes in around half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Around half teaspoon of freshly crushed pepper, 1 egg. I'll be using half of this, okay, and I'll be using around half tablespoon of corn flour powder. Okay, I'll just increase the amount of corn flour. I'll just take another half tablespoon. Okay, so I'll set it aside for marination while I chop all the vegetables. So after I'm done cutting with the veggies, I will start frying the chicken. So I've heated oil in a pan and I will start dropping the chicken in. Just be careful while you drop the chicken in. And I've just heated the oil and I've made the flame low now. So I've fried the chicken well on both the sides for around 4 to 5 minutes. So once it's slightly brown, we'll remove it. So I've heated a wok in which I'll be adding in oil. So I'll be using the same oil in which I had fried the chicken. Okay, so once the oil is hot, I'll be adding in garlic, a little bit of ginger, 2 green chili slit. I'll just saute this. Then I'll be adding in onion flakes. The flame is low, okay. Soya sauce around 1 teaspoon. Capsicum. Around half teaspoon of red chili sauce. Just for that slight flavor. I'll add in the chicken here. Then I'll be adding in the corn flour water. Around half teaspoon of salt. And I just kept few capsicum which I'll be adding it so that I get that crunchiness. Okay, now we'll just let this cook for around 1 to 2 minutes. That's it. Alright, so that's it. Our chicken chili is ready. Now if you want, you can dry it up or you can keep it a little liquidy. I'll keep it as it is. I'll turn off the flame now and I will serve it in a bowl. So guys, the chicken chili is ready. Let me know how you like the recipe and how you like the video. Share this video with your friends and family, and you too try this recipe at home. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe it. And look at this chicken chili. It's looking yum. Alright, so my name is Stan. Do watch my videos and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.